friends! Welcome to Beyond Words. You're now watching our special section, English Listening Quiz. I'm Jessica, and I'll be your host today. In this section, you will listen to a short story, and at the end, you'll test your understanding with a fun quiz. So, are you ready? Let's begin. A day at the supermarket. Sarah woke up early on Saturday morning. The sun was shining and the weather was perfect. She looked at her fridge and realized there was almost nothing inside. She thought, I need to go shopping. After breakfast, Sarah grabbed her shopping bag and walked to the supermarket near her house. On the way, she met her neighbor, Mr. Johnson. He was watering his plants. "Good morning, Sarah. Where are you going?" he asked. "I'm going to the supermarket. I need to buy some fruits and vegetables," Sarah replied with a smile. When Sarah arrived, the supermarket was already crowded. Families were pushing shopping carts, children were running around, and workers were arranging products on the shelves. Sarah took a small basket and started her shopping. First, she went to the fruit section. She picked up some red apples, a bunch of bananas, and a bag of oranges. Then she moved to the vegetables section. She chose some fresh carrots, broccoli, and tomatoes. After that, Sarah remembered she needed milk and bread. She walked to the dairy section and grabbed a bottle of fresh milk. Then she went to the bakery corner and picked up a loaf of whole wheat bread. As she was about to leave, Sarah noticed a big discount on her favorite chocolate. She laughed and said to herself, "Okay, just one bar of chocolate won't hurt." She put it into her basket. Finally, Sarah went to the cashier. The line was long, so she had to wait for a while. She looked around and saw many people buying snacks and drinks for the weekend. After 15 minutes, it was her turn. She paid for her groceries and said, "Thank you, have a nice day," to the cashier. Sarah walked home happily with her shopping bag full of fresh food. She was already thinking about cooking a healthy lunch with the vegetables she bought. When Sarah arrived home, she placed all the groceries on the kitchen table. She carefully washed the fruits and vegetables before putting them into the fridge. The apples and oranges looked so fresh that she immediately wanted to eat one. She picked up an apple, took a bite, and smiled. "This tastes amazing," she thought. Then Sarah started preparing her lunch. She cut the carrots and broccoli into small pieces and boiled them for a few minutes. She also sliced some tomatoes to make a small salad. The smell of fresh vegetables filled the kitchen, making her even hungrier. While cooking, Sarah turned on the radio. A cheerful song was playing, and she began humming along. Cooking felt more enjoyable with music in the background. She even danced a little while stirring the soup, laughing at herself for being so silly. After 30 minutes, the food was ready. Sarah placed the soup and salad on the table, along with a slice of bread and a glass of milk. She sat down and enjoyed her healthy lunch. Every bite reminded her that going to the supermarket that morning had been the right decision. When she finished eating, Sarah cleaned up the kitchen and stored the leftovers in the fridge. She looked at the chocolate bar she had bought earlier and decided to save it for dessert in the evening. With a satisfied smile, she thought, "Today has been a good day." Now it's time for the quiz. I will ask you 7 questions about the story. Listen carefully and choose the best answer. Take a pen and a piece of paper and write down your answers. At the end, we will check together whether your answers are correct or not. Let's start. Question 1. Why did Sarah decide to go to the supermarket? A. Because she was bored. B. Because her fridge was almost empty. C. Because she wanted to meet her neighbor. Question 2. Who did Sarah meet on her way to the supermarket? A. Her cousin. B. Her neighbor Mr. Johnson. Or C. A cashier. Question 3. What items did Sarah buy first? A. Bread and milk. B. Fruits. Or C. Chocolate. Question 4. Why did Sarah decide to buy chocolate? A. It was her favorite and on discount. B. She needed it for cooking. Or C. She promised to give it to her neighbor. Question 5. What did Sarah do as soon as she got home? A. She ate the chocolate. B. She washed the fruits and vegetables. Or C. She called her friend. Question 6. What made cooking more fun for Sarah? A. Talking to her neighbor. B. Listening to music on the radio. Or C. Eating while cooking. Question 7. What did Sarah do with the chocolate at the end of the story? A. She ate it immediately. B. She gave it away. Or C. She saved it for later. Let's check your answers. The correct answer for question 1 is B, because her fridge was almost empty. She realized she had very little food at home. The correct answer for question 2 is B, her neighbor Mr. Johnson. She met him while he was watering his plants. The correct answer for question 3 is B, fruits. She picked apples, bananas, and oranges first. The correct answer for question 4 is A. It was her favorite and on discount. She said, just one bar of chocolate won't hurt. The correct answer for question 5 is B. She washed the fruits and vegetables. That was the first thing she did at home. The correct answer for question 6 is B. Listening to music on the radio. The music made her enjoy cooking even more. And the correct answer for question 7 is C. She saved it for later. She decided not to eat the chocolate right away. Great job, everyone! How many questions did you get right? Congratulations to those of you who answered all the questions perfectly. But if you didn't get a perfect score, don't worry. You can always repeat this video and listen again. The more you practice, the better your listening will become. Keep practicing your listening skills every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beyond Words for more English listening quizzes. See you in the next story.